Welcome to the Gurukul Prep Daily Podcast on 17th July. Update 1. Important Day. World Day for International Justice, 17th July. Every year on 17th July, the World Day for International Justice, also known as the Day of International Criminal Justice, is commemorated to recognize the improvement of the international judicial system while simultaneously promoting victims' rights. According to the International Criminal Court, 17th July is the Day of International Criminal Justice. It marks the anniversary of the adoption of the Rome Statute on 17th July 1998, the founding treaty of the ICC, which seeks to protect people from genocide, crimes against humanity, war crimes and the crime of aggression. Update 2. Awards. Odisha CM felicitates Sudarshan Patnaik for winning gold at International Sand Sculpture Championship. Odisha Chief Minister Mohan Charan Majhi honored sand artist Sudarshan Patnaik at his Bhubaneswar residence for winning the Golden Sand Master Award and a gold medal in the International Sand Sculpture Championship in St. Petersburg, Russia, according to the Chief Minister's office. Sudarshan Patnaik constructed a sand sculpture of Mahaprabhu Jagannath and his great devotee Balaram Das at the St. Petersburg International Championship. Patnaik created a 12-foot depiction of a sand ratha, chariot, carrying Lord Jagannath and his devotee Balaram Das, a 14th-century poet. Update 3. International. KP Sharma Oli appointed as Nepal's new Prime Minister. KP Sharma Oli was selected Nepal's Prime Minister for the third time to lead the new coalition administration, which faces the arduous task of restoring political stability to the country. KP Sharma Oli, 72, succeeds Pushpa Kamal Dahal Prachanda, who lost a vote of confidence in the House of Representatives, resulting in the creation of a new administration under Article 76(2) of the Constitution. President Ram Chandra Paudel appointed KP Sharma Oli as the new Prime Minister of the Communist Party of Nepal Unified Marxist-Leninist (CPNUML) Nepali Congress (NC) coalition. Update 4. Miscellaneous. Thomas Muller retires from international football. Germany's Thomas Muller, the Bayern Munich forward, has ended his 14-year international career following their exit from the European Championship. The 34-year-old appeared in his eighth and final tournament on 5th July, in Germany's 2-1 quarter-final loss to Spain, coming on as a substitute in the 80th minute. Muller helped Germany win the 2014 World Cup and has 131 caps and 45 goals for the national team, ranking third all-time. He also won the Golden Boot and Young Player Award during the 2010 World Cup, when Germany finished third. Update 5. National. All India Institute of Ayurveda successfully hosts Sushrutam 2024. The All India Institute of Ayurveda, AIIA, in New Delhi successfully completed its second national seminar Sushrutam Shalya Sangoshti, which commemorated Sushruta Jayanti 2024. The three-day festival, which began on 13th July, celebrated Sushruta, widely considered the father of surgery. A highlight of the event was a live demonstration of 25 challenging surgical operations, which provided participants with a unique opportunity to witness and learn from famous surgeons. These surgeries, performed using modern techniques like waft, laparoscopy, and laser, as well as traditional Shaila methods, addressed conditions such as fistulae, hemorrhoids, and gallbladder stones. Update 6. Rank and Report. PM Modi becomes most followed global leader on X with over 100 million followers. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has passed a huge milestone, exceeding 100 million followers on his social media account X. This remarkable rise includes an increase of around 30 million followers in the last 3 years. Mr. Modi is currently the world's most popular leader in the office on X. Prime Minister Modi is well ahead of other world leaders, including US President Joe Biden, who has 38.1 million followers. After crossing 100 million followers, Mr. Modi said in a social media post that he is happy to be on this vibrant medium and cherishes the discussion, debate, insights, people's blessings, constructive criticism, and more. Update 7. Schemes and Committees. Himachal Cabinet approves plan to rationalize provisions of zero electricity bill for domestic users. The Himachal Pradesh Cabinet agreed to rationalize the provisions for zero electricity bills for domestic consumers by limiting subsidies to one family, 1 meter, and attaching power connections to ration cards. Previously, power expenses for up to 125 units per month were waived in Himachal Pradesh. The Cabinet has also approved a declaration of land acquisition and compensation for families affected by the Kangra Airport expansion. Furthermore, it was decided to provide the state share of capital costs for the construction of bulk drug park in the Haroli Assembly constituency of Una district, and the calling of its tender was approved. Update 8. Sports. Argentina clinches second consecutive Copa America title. Argentina won the 2024 Copa America by defeating Colombia 1-0 at Hard Rock Stadium in Miami, USA, thanks to Lautaro Martinez's goal in the 111th minute. Argentina has won its 16th title in South America's biggest international competition, surpassing Uruguay as the most successful team in history. Argentina won the Copa America for the second time in a row, and in addition to the 2022 World Cup title, they won between the two. This was also Angel Di Maria's last appearance for Argentina, with the winger announcing last year that he will end his prolific international career after the 2024 Copa America. Update 9. Sports. Nirma University wins robot competition DD Robocon India 2024. The Institute of Technology, Nirma University team won the DD Robocon India 2024 robotic competition. The two-day event was held in the Tyagaraja Stadium in New Delhi. Prasar Bharati and IIT Delhi jointly organized this event. The winning team will now represent India at the Asia Pacific Broadcasting Union's Robocon 2024 in Quang Ninh, Vietnam. Pimpri Chinchwad College of Engineering in Pune was named first runner-up, with MIT World Peace University in Pune coming in second. Over 750 students from over 45 colleges, institutions, and universities participated in the event. Update 10. State. Amit Shah inaugurates PM College of Excellence in MP's 55 districts. Union Home Minister Amit Shah virtually inaugurated the Prime Minister's College of Excellence for all 55 districts in Madhya Pradesh, praising Narendra Modi's foresight in implementing the new education policy to make India a developed country by 2047. These state-run colleges, established by the NEP, aim to make education more employment-oriented. Addressing the main program held at the Atal Bihari Vajpayee Government Arts and Commerce College in Indore, which has been developed as a PM College of Excellence, Shah said students must download the NEP document as it will teach them to think out of the box.